When selecting and purchasing a virtual machine in Azure, you have a monthly cost that must be paid to Microsoft based on the size and use of your selected system. You can reduce these costs by purchasing what Azure calls a reserved instance. This is a 1-year or 3-year commitment to use the purchased VM system in Azure. These commitments allow a discounted rate that applies to each and every month of billing for the term of the commitment, resulting in significant savings. This video will detail the purchasing of a reserved instance to reduce your total cost of Azure infrastructure. To get started, log into the Azure portal with your Azure account that is capable of making purchases. Search for reservations and navigate to the page. Here you will see any existing reservations you may have. Choose Add and then select Virtual Machine. Select the proper scope and billing subscription, and then select the VM region, term, and size specification. Ensure these values match what you will use for your Titan server virtual machine purchase. If needing assistance, Microsoft offers some help and tip guides next to scope and billing. You can filter recommended configurations here, or you can choose all products and search for the system size you're looking for. In this case, I will use B4MS as an example. Select the size I'm looking for, choose Add to Cart, and then Close. Now you're on your cart, and you can see the discount applied and your savings that you will get as a result. You see both today's charge and the total cost over the commitment of the term. Select Review and Buy. Finally, select Buy Now to finalize your purchase.